Electric three-wheelers in India have mostly followed one design rule: keep it simple, keep it boxy. But Mahindra just decided to break that rule. And the result is this: the Mahindra Udo, which they are boldly calling not an auto, it's an auto plane. Let's take a closer look at what makes this one different. Mahindra's Chief Design and Creative Officer, Pratap Bose, along with his team, clearly wanted to move away from the boring design language we usually see in electric autos. Instead, they have taken inspiration from their passenger vehicles, giving Udo a more premium, futuristic, and confident road presence. The Udo is built on a segment first full monocoque construction, which means better strength, safety, and durability. Up front, it gets dual fork suspension, while the rear features independent suspension paired with tubeless tires. From the C-shaped LED DRLs, bold Mahindra and Udo branding up front, to the large single-piece windshield and well-sized mirrors, everything here feels carefully thought through. The pilot seat for the driver is nearly 20% thicker than others in the segment, while passengers benefit from wide, well-cushioning seat. There is ample legroom and generous headroom, making it comfortable for 3 adults. You also get dedicated boot space for handbags, a thoughtful addition for daily commercial use. Powering the Udo is an 11.7 kilowatt-hours battery pack, offering 200 kilometers real-world range and a claimed range of 265 kilometers. The battery, drivetrain, and charger are all IP67 rated. The drive system gets smart drive modes, range, ride, and race, along with an industry first reverse throttle and creep mode. The control buttons for reverse, neutral, and drive are intuitive, while the digital instrument panel displays all essentials: battery percentage, range, trip data, and active drive mode. There is also a 12-volt charging socket for mobile. Performance-wise, Udo offers top speed of 55 kilometers per hour, peak power of 10 kilowatt, peak torque of 52 Newton meters, gradability of 25.8%, and a ground clearance of 215 mm. For ownership, Mahindra is offering a 6-year or 1.5 lakh kilometer warranty, free service up to 1 lakh kilometers, and even accidental insurance cover of 20 lakhs for the driver. All this comes at an introductory price of Rs 3,58,999, which is the ex-showroom price. With bold design, premium comfort, solid range, and smart features, the Mahindra Udo clearly aims to redefine expectations in the electric three-wheeler segment. Is this the future of electric autos in India? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and for more such deep dives into India's EV ecosystem, stay tuned to EV Reporter.